Empteezy is a leading designer, manufacturer and supplier of spill containment and spill and waste control products. We have over 35 years of manufacturing experience, providing legislation-compliant spill response solutions for working environments, including industrial, commercial, military and educational sectors. All of our products are manufactured to the highest standards in our UK factory, where we have a dedicated team of specialists who will design and build bespoke solutions to suit your specific requirements. Our primary aim is to help customers comply with legislation and implement best practices in relation to their oil and chemical storage needs and spill response programs. Our solutions include spill kits and spill kit training, emergency safety shower and tank shower applications, and waste handling projects. All of our products are compliant with the appropriate standards, durable and chemically resistant. We offer a 3-year guarantee on our rotationally moulded polyethylene products and a 20-year structural guarantee on our DS, DPU, IB, CB, CS steel ranges. We hold multiple accreditations such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001 and are active members of the British Plastic Federation, Made in Britain, Scottish Engineering and Safety Scheme Suppliers through BSIF. For more information, please visit us on www.empteezy.co.uk.